Hi there, my name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, we're showing you how you can add title tags and meta description on your Shopify web store. So first of all, why is this important? Well, title tags and meta descriptions practically help with your SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. This is when we increase the quality and the content on your web store or website to help it rank high on organic searches for those specific keywords. Awesome. So we'll get straight to it. In this quick video, we'll just be highlighting on a, I don't want to say static page, but just like a normal page, like for example, contact us page specific. That's the one we're going to be optimizing, and not the blog post, because that takes it's a little bit different, and we'll create a different video for that. So please stay in tune. If you're finding this video to be helpful, please leave a like, comment on the next topic that you'd like us to cover. I'll be more than happy to do that for you. So as you can see here, I am at my fake stores dashboard. And what you want to do actually, you want to stay at your home and navigate to the left panel, as I've already done here, and click on online store. So after you've clicked on your online store, you see there are multiple drop downs that will appear right here. So we don't want to focus too much on the on page side of the actual page. We'll create a video specifically for that on how to increase on page SEO on your Shopify store. So definitely stay in tune. So you want to navigate to pages, click on pages as well. And then once you've arrived, you see all the pages that your website. As you can see, I don't have many pages. It's just the contact us page. But let's just create one fake one so that we can. So we just want to call this home page. So this is the home page. So usually you have your actual content on your actual page. So you want to add your content over here. But where we want to focus is search engine listing preview right here. That's where the money is for us. And right after you've navigated here, you want to click on Edit Website SEO. Once more, SEO, Search Engine Optimization. So what's really important to have always on your title tags and meta description is, especially on your homepage, is your company name, your location, and your keyword that you're ranking for. Like for example, we'll just use our company name, which is fake site, and then you can add that. And the keyword that we want to go for is football shorts. Okay, that's the keyword we want to go for. And we want to add location. So we just want to add London. Awesome. So you want to make sure that this is above 50, but less than 70 characters. That's the little rule of thumb. As well as description, actually, Shopify is a little bit off here. You want to make sure that your description has a little bit more over 100 and less than 160. So you always want to keep that in mind, as well as make sure your keyword is in there, your location, as well as your company name, especially if it is the home channel. Another really good thing that you can also optimize while you add it is the URL. So you want to make sure that the URL matches exactly to what is on the page. That, for example, if this wasn't called the home page, we want to call it uh, football or shorts. There we go. And so on. So that's really important to have, especially the keyword and the URL. It'll help you with your SEO. So that was just a quick tutorial on how you can add title tags and meta description on Shopify, on your Shopify store or page. Please stay in tuned, like this video, leave a comment if you really enjoy. Tell us what we can help you improve with your SEO. In the meantime, stalk us on pearllemon.com. You see our socials right below. Click on them, find out more about us. For more tips, subscribe to this channel. Until the next time, Please remember to save and ciao.